Join me today as I make these weird, juicy, Lucy type burgers at work on this busted ass grill again. Stay tuned. Alright, you can see we're back out at the Jenk grill here. Nice and busted. We're on grate still. Never even cleaned it out from the last cook. Good enough for me. Sit you guys down here. Chimney started. Same thing, just some old paper towel. Let our Kingsford get up the temp. Come out here and we'll get our burger started. Today's supposed to be a real shitty day. Turned out to be nice though, so let's go ahead and get our charcoal dumped. Brought my glove this time so I'm not using paper towel and burning myself. Janky grate put down. There we go. Then our first part is going to have some grilled onions, so just going to put down my lodge thing here. Griddle top, I guess. Let that melt for a minute and bring you back. Alright, I think we're melted enough, super hot enough though. Not really. Anyway, just some onions sliced up at home last night. Got a cold spot, just gonna try to get some more charcoal underneath this side. What do you guys think? Just take a roll some number two. I'm getting more. Let those go for a bit, and again, bring you back whenever next step is coming on. Get our onions pulled off. Justin brought in some pickled jalapeno, So you don't care griddle or no for the burgers?
Whatever you want to do.
We're just going to fly through this real fast. Just going to put these on the griddle here. Get them nice and cooked up. Grill was a little hot, so I had to move things around a little bit. Can't forget to put my buns in the grease to get them nice and toasted up too. Anyway, when this is all done, I'll bring it back. These look done. Let's get them pulled off, and we'll get our burger built. But first, I have to play around, so let's try to have a little bit of fun here. I regret this, but you know what I'm gonna do, right?
Yep. And I'm just gonna
Probably burn the shit out of myself.
Hopefully you're recording so that you can post your dumbassery on. Attaboy. There we go. Let's get that grease fire going.
Oh, she's gonna clean the cast iron.
That's really disappointing.
Yeah. All right, since that didn't work very well, let's go ahead and get our burger belt, got our onions, our burger patty, some jalapenos, get some of our burger sauce here, dump this on top. Absolutely delicious. Hope these are done. To perfection. Hope you enjoyed this. Cooking at work. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.